Hi, my name is Michelle Holiday, and I'm going to be singing Go Get It by Mary Mary. It's like you're looking through a telescope. You see where you're going to be. Growing, getting better. You're not the person they see. Can't be mad at the things you've been through, 'cause they built your muscles. And make you stronger than you've ever been. Hey, they can't stop your hustle. Your faith ain't never small. That's what brought you this far. See, you got your dreams and you got your prayers and you got your God. He can take you there. See, everybody has a season, and I believe this one's yours. 'Cause you've been working, waiting, that's what you've been praying. So go get 'em, go get 'em. Go get your blessing. Go get, go get, go get, go get. It's your time. It's your time.